Okay, let's go to the airport, direction Hong Kong. So some of you might think that traveling like that is vacation, and yes, it is vacation. Though you have many things you need to think and plan to check. And we have to wake up early sometimes, check the exchange rate, the road, the direction, what transportation to take. Trying to go to the cheapest or the most efficient. I have to make many research, and everything I've done before, of course, is forgotten partially on the file. So, but anyway, very easy to go to the airport. It should be, I hope so. It was very easy to come without knowing, so it should be a lot easier to go back. So I have to take line 2 for 6 stations and then take the express train back to the airport. It will take me about 40 minutes altogether, 40-45 minutes, and a good walk at 5 in the morning. Those are 25 degrees. It's not bad though. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, here we are to the metro station, line 2. It was about a 5 little minute walk. Pretty handy. Here it is. Don't have to take the same one. Let's go. And it will be 4 kwai to go to Tian'amen. I will put that on the screen. Take about a good 10-12 minutes to go over there. And then I take the express train. Select English. Take line 2. Going from Qiamen to Tian'amen. Tian'amen. Ni hao.
Yeah.
Okay. 4 yen. Pay in cash. Okay. As simple as that, and just scan that on the little corner of the gate, and let's go to Tian'amen. Okay, this is the one right here, going to Tian'amen. Your road goes clockwise, so that's the one to take. It's already pretty busy. Let's go. As you can see, the maps are very well detailed. Take off from Qiamen, going to Tian'amen, which is line 2. And then from Tian'amen, we take the Capital Airport Express, going to Terminal 2. It will be a little bit longer, because it looks like the way it is, it goes to Terminal 3, then back to Terminal 2. And that's where I will fly to Hong Kong. Select English, Terminal 2, 25 yen. pay in cash. $25 is about like $3.70. This is without receipt. And here we go.